In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account with Stripe efficiently and effortlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your USD account from Wise into your Stripe setup, allowing for smoother transactions and easy management of your funds. So let's dive right in. First, you need to ensure you have access to your Wise account. Start by opening Wise on your preferred device and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already done so, use your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your USD account. Simply click on it, and this will bring up your account details in USD. You'll see a screen that contains all the necessary banking information you'll need later on. This is where things get really straightforward. Just click on the details and copy all the information you see. This will typically include your account number and routing number, among other things. Maintaining these details handy is crucial because you're going to need them in the next step. Now, let's move over to Stripe. Sign into your Stripe account, where you will be managing your payments and transactions. Once you are on your Stripe dashboard, look for the Balances option. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Clicking Balances will prepare you to add your bank account. Now find and click on Add Bank Accounts. If this is your first time connecting a bank account, Stripe will prompt you to verify your account. Don't worry, this is a standard security measure to safeguard your financial details. You'll receive a verification link in your email associated with your Stripe account. Simply follow the prompts on the screen. They will guide you through verifying your account step by step with clear instructions, ensuring everything is ready for the next part. Once the verification is complete, you'll find yourself back at the main page where you can proceed to enter the bank details you copied earlier. The system will prompt you to enter the account holder's name first. That's the name associated with your Wise account. Then, carefully input your routing number and account number. This information ensures that the Stripe platform knows precisely where to direct your funds. Double-check each number for accuracy, as even a small typo can lead to connectivity issues. After you've ensured all the information is accurate and correctly entered, finalize the process by clicking Add Bank Account. This step confirms that the linkage between Wise and Stripe, allowing you to manage your funds seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward process to connect Wise with Stripe. This connection will streamline your financial tasks, enabling you to focus on growing your operations without getting bogged down by payment hurdles. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transacting.